in today's video, I am going to show you the traditional Swedish pizza, which I absolutely love, and I'm going to show you the pizzeria where we buy it, and then we're going to come back here and have a tasting. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you're subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, and if you have not subscribed yet, then go ahead, hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you see when we upload new videos. Also, if you have any questions about Sweden, remember guys, questions, thoughts, ideas, anything you want to see, go ahead, leave it in the comments below, and I will try to make a couple of videos around that. In the future though, we are probably going to be making a few videos where I'm answering questions. I've gotten some requests to answer specific questions for those who are interested in moving to Sweden. If you are interested in moving to Sweden, then remember as well, write your comments down below, your questions down below, and then I will try to answer them in the upcoming videos. But until then, enjoy this video and come eat Swedish pizza with me. Let's go.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. Found my way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way.
Today I am standing in the IKHP Sport Stuga, which is basically a sport club that we have in Jönköping where we live. So it's really beautiful here. There's a stunning view of Jönköping behind me. I don't know if you can see that. This is the 3 krona pizza. Okay guys, so here is the pizza. We're gonna taste it. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. It's the sort of Turkish meat that is shaved. The traditional kebab pizza just has the meat with a cream sauce and a salad. The 3 krona pizza is unique because it has French fries as well as iceberg lettuce as well. Yeah, we're gonna taste this, and then the other very important, almost like fundamental part of having the kebab pizza is actually this salad. So the salad is basically just like cabbage, and there's a little bit of pepper in here, but usually it's just white cabbage with a really nice vinaigrette. And I love this. I think it perfectly balances out the pizza because you have a pizza that's quite rich with the sauce, and obviously you have the pastry and the meat, and everything is cooked, and this addition to it just provides the perfect freshness and balance to the pizza. So we're gonna add this on, and then we're gonna try the pizza. Okay, so salad goes on. I love this pizza salad, so I tend to add quite a lot on. Okay, this is probably not usual for people to put this much, but okay. And then we're gonna go in. Another thing I think that's quite interesting here is that it is very common to eat pizza with a knife and fork. and not really with your hands, and it kind of makes sense, right? Because I mean, looking at this, it would be quite messy if I ate this with my hands. Okay. Oh, it's so good. So you taste the meat, which by the way is pork. It's so good. It's perfectly cooked. It has this amazing like smoky taste to it, and then you get the freshness from the salad, you get the richness from the sauce, and obviously the indulgence of the French fry. Oh, so good. So when I first came to Sweden, I actually did not, and I first tried Swedish pizza, it was quite a shock to me because this type of pizza is not something that I'm used to. In South Africa, we don't have anything like this. Our pizzas are pretty traditional. I would say they're quite American, but this pizza was very unique. It's almost like green tea, which is sort of an acquired taste. That's how I felt with this pizza, and ever since I love this pizza. I actually crave it. So I think if you think it's a little bit strange, just give it a try because it's very unique, but I think it's amazing. So good.